శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching the process of meditation to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, visualize Srimannarayana within your own heart. Now look at Sri Krishna Paramatma's, Srimannarayana's divine eyes, such a beautiful smiley eyes, and also showering so much of compassion on us. Such beautiful eyes should be visualized. Bhrubhanga samsuchita, Srimannarayana's divine eyebrows. Look at that. Paramatma is moving his eyebrows very nicely, delicately, slowly. That is also showering Bhuri Anugraham. So much of Anugraham, unlimited amount of Anugraham on us. Such beautiful eyebrows should be visualized by us. O Parikshit Narendra, like this Sri Hari, Srimannarayana, Paramapurusha, Dharanaya Avatishthate should be established in our heart, should be established in our mind, and should be visualized by us every time, and keep on enjoying, experiencing Srimannarayana's Divya Mangala Vigraham. O Maharaja, have a beautiful Vigraham which is nicely decorated with all kind of ornaments. Now keep on looking at that Murti. How long you should be looking at that Murti, you know? You have to have that Murti, Vigraha impression in your manas, in your mind. Until then, keep on enjoying that physical appearance of Sri Vigraham. O Maharaja, first look at beautiful divine feet, Padadi, beautiful lotus-like feet. You have to enjoy that. Then keep moving upwards. Then nice, very strong thighs. Jitam jitam sthanam apohya dharayet. Each and every part of that beautiful physical appearance of Vigraham. And keep moving until you see Hasitam Gada Bhrutaha, smiley face of Paramatma. Like this, you have to enjoy each and every part of Divya Mangala Vigraham of Srimannarayana. Keep on remembering that. Keep that entire Vigraham in your memory. O Maharaja, if you keep looking at each and every part of Paramatma's Divya Mangala Vigraham, how much ever you keep your attention, how much ever you focus your vision on any part, that much param param suddhyati dhiryadha yadha. that much of purity you will attain in your buddhi, in your manas. That is why you don't have to rush. You just take your own time on visualizing, on enjoying, on keep on looking at each and every part, each and every detail of Paramatma's beautiful physical appearance. O Maharaja, if you keep looking at like this, at some point that entire Sriman-Narayana's Divyamangala Vigraham will be leaving a beautiful impression in your mind, and without having any kind of disturbance, without having any kind of interruption, if that meditation, if that memory, if that remembrance continuously going on, that is what is Bhakti Yogam. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching not only to Parikshit Narendra, but to each and every one of us, how to meditate upon Sriman Narayana, how to visualize the beautiful divine personification, appearance of Paramatma, and how to establish that personification of Paramatma in our mind, in our heart. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.